I want to know why you feel that you have a right that overrides the landlord's right to show the premises under these circumstances. Do you have any legislation that you are relying on? Any principle of law that gives a tenant this right? This seems rather drastic on your part. Locking people out. Locking the owner out.
Even I put the locker on, she got in. And then she took down one locker and I put another on.
You couldn't keep her out, could you?
Yeah, and she came in one more time and she took that one off again. And then, like, by now, it's a third one.
Okay.
I'd be thinking how I'm not the only renter in her property, in her townhouse, and I'm the only one standing here as a defendant.
I think because you put this notice on the door.
Yes, that's right.
And I think maybe because you did put the locks on the door.
Yes, I did.
The front man in this effort.
You're like, yeah, I told her she couldn't let people come into her own house. I tried to lock her out of her own house. We're in the middle of a pandemic, so she can't evict me. I mean, let's just put that out there. Your view is she can't evict me, and now I got the run of the place. I make the rules. She's trying to get some money in the door, and you're telling her she's not allowed to. You had no business doing this, period. So I want to talk to you, Ms. Wang, about your damages. $37.50, just break it down very simply.
From August till December, 5 months of rent. Each month I rented the room for $750.
So you had renters each of those months, and
yes.
Each time the renter appropriately said, I'm not living here because you've got a little dictator in the corner who's deciding who can come in and out. I don't have anything further.
All right, then. We're going to excuse the parties while we deliberate in this matter. Thank you both.
This courtroom is now in recess.
I like that little sign that he put up there. I think he's got a plan. Everybody needs 48 hours testing. You can't see him or anybody else.
I would not call him a dictator, but an overzealous tenant's advocate.
Better said. Better
He should work for a government agency.
Better put.
Well, there was no defense of necessity here because obviously there was a more realistic alternative that he could engage in that didn't require him to bolt himself into his home. The only thing I see here is that the first notice that she had somebody wanted to rent was mid-August. So instead of 5 months rent, I think it's actually just 4 months, and that comes out to $3,000, 4 months at $750. I'm willing to give her that.
Yeah, I would join that.
Good?
I'm on board.
Okay, we're ready. Well, Mr. Wen, we're not in the business of taking questions from litigants, but we do want to address the question that you raised. And that question was, why am I the only one standing here when there was another tenant in the apartment? And we have an answer for you. That's because you were the only one with the nerve to bolt yourself in and keep people out with a sign on the door that says you can't come in unless you're COVID tested. So the bottom line here is, ma'am, we found in your favor unanimously. We did not find that you're entitled to 5 months rent. We only found 4 months. That gives you $3,000. You know, we don't disagree with you, Mr. Wen. We just disagree with your approach. It is very important that everybody comply with the COVID regulations. Ma'am, you're entitled to $3,000. That's the unanimous verdict of the court.
This court is adjourned.
I think the judge is fair.
A lot of parts were not really true.
There is a pending eviction case.
I just simply go to Home Depot and buy a lock and I put it on.
He should be out within this month.